Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. So now we are learning integral calculus 1. Am I right? So in the second chapter, first day itself I said we are learning lot of formulas. That is every day one new formulas you are learning. So each and every formula is very important. So if you are well thorough in the formula, it will be very easy for you. Okay. So I hope you all of you learned all the formulas and I hope you completed the homeworks also. Correct? Okay. In our last class, we completed up to example 2.23. So let's start from example 2.24 today. The question is, evaluate integral of cos cube x dx. Okay. Integral of cos cube x dx. Solution. First, I need to find out the formula. For that, I am going to write some formulas. That is cos 3x, you have learned the formula already. What is cos 3x? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay. So, you don't know the formula for cos cube x, but we know the formula for cos 3x. So, cos 3x, what's the formula? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So, I am keeping 4 cos cube x this side. I am going to bring the remaining terms this side. So, cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Okay. So, if we need cos cube x value, so what will you do? 1 by 4, is it right? 1 by 4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x you will get. Now, you got the formula for cos cube x? Yes. So, cos 3x formula you know already. From that formula, I have found out cos cube x formula. Now, you can evaluate here. That is, cos cube x dx is equal to, substitute this one here. That is 1 by 4, that's the constant. Cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. Okay, ma? That is equal to, split it, 1 by 4 cos 3x dx plus 3. Yes. So, 1 by 4 is there for this one. So, if you multiply with inside, what will happen? 1 into 3, 3 by 4. Correct? So, integral of cos x dx. Have you all understand what I did? I multiplied with the constant inside. That is 1 by 4 is in outside. So that is common for both. Is it right? So I brought to inside. So 1 by 4 into cos 3x dx. So 1 by 4 into here 1 3 is there. Yes. So 3 by 4 into integral of cos x dx. That is equal to 1 by 4. Is it right? So 1 by 4 is in outside. So what is the integral of cos 3x? Cos x, what's the integral? Cos x, what's the integral? Sin x, am I right? Cos x, what's the integral? Sin x, okay? Sin x plus c. So here cos 3x means that particular coefficient also you need to divide. So sin 3x by 3 plus 3 by 4 into here only sin x plus c. Okay? That's equal to sin 3x divided by 4 into 3 means how much you will get? 12 plus 3 by 4 sin x plus c. That's all. Have you got idea? Okay, that's all students. It's very easy, but finding the formula it is somewhat difficult for you. So after finding the formula we are putting here and we will evaluate. So we'll have it out. Why ma'am here alone you are dividing by 3 here. Okay, here what's the coefficient of x? 1, is it right? If we are dividing by 1, correct? So here 3 is the coefficient. So I divide by the coefficient also. So that's that. Understand? So examples everything over. So let's move to the exercise. Now exercise 2.4 problem number 1. One by one we will do. That is integrate 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant square x minus 5 cosecant square x. Okay, solution. Okay, we are going to evaluate this one. Okay, so what will we do here? We are going to find all the integrate values. So this one everything already you know. Okay, so integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant square x minus 5 cosecant square x. Okay, that is equal to 2 is a constant. So integral of cos x dx. Then minus 3 is a constant, sin x dx. Then plus 4 into integral of secant square x dx minus 5 into integral of cosecant square x dx. Okay, that is equal to 2 into what's the integral of cos x sin x. Okay, directly shall we write sin x minus 3 into what's the integral of sin x minus cos x. Then plus 4 into what's the integral of secant square x tan x minus 5 into what's the integral of cosecant square x minus cot x plus c. That's equal to 2 sin x minus into minus plus 3 cos x plus 4 tan x minus into minus plus 5 cot x plus c. Have we got it? So this one is an answer. Understand, students? Very easy. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Exercise 2.4, problem number 2. I'm writing the question. Integrate sin cube x. Okay, so let's try this one. Now only we have completed cos cube x, is it right? So same as here sin cube x. So for sin cube x we are going to evaluate some formulas. So sin 3x, you know the formula. What's the formula for sin 3x? Last year you have learned. That is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Please students, I said already, you learn the formulas first. Take your last year book and learn all the formulas. Then only this problem central very easy for you. Otherwise it will be very difficult. Okay. So sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. It's the formula. So I need 4 sin cube x value. So I am bringing this term to here. So it will become positive. 3 sin x, bring this to here. So minus sin 3x. Now sin cube x is equal to, what will happen? This 4 will come here is, so 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Okay, so this is a formula. Then you can do easier. How will you do? That is integration of sin cube x is equal to, substitute for using the formula, 1 by 4 into integral of 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. Okay, that's equal to, will you multiply inside? Multiply means 3 by 4 will be in outside, sin x dx minus 1 by 4 will be in outside, sin 3x dx. Okay, that's equal to, what's the answer? 3 by 4 into, what's the integral of sin x? What's the integral of sin x? Minus cos x. Then minus 1 by 4 into, what is this one integral? That is minus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. Okay, now multiply inside and write down the answer. I am writing the answer here. So what's the answer? Equal to minus, is it right? So minus 3 by 4 cos x, minus into minus plus. So plus cos 3x divided by 2. This is answer. Understand? All of you understand? All of you got good idea? So this and all you can do as home assignment, but you will feel some more difficult. So because of that I am doing it and everything. Okay. So learn the formula. So same as cos cube x. Cos cube x, how you derive the formula? Same as that. You need to derive the formula for sin cube x and afterwards substitute there. Understand? Okay students, listen here. Third question. integrate cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. Okay, solution. Now listen here, already I taught you the formula for cos 2x in example 2. I think in example 2.22. Take and see children, there I taught the formula for cos 2x. I gave 4 formulas there. Okay, so from that one formula I need here. So here sin square term is there, so sin square, because of that I am taking the formula related to sin square. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. Understand children? So in example 2.22 I gave 4 formulas for cos 2x. There itself I explained you for cos 2x there are 4 formulas. So there which formula I need, that one I chose here. Okay, so here I need the formula related to square. Okay, so I chose the formula related to this one. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, so shall we substitute the formula here? That's equal to integral of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx is equal to, the formula we are going to use here is integral of, substitute in the place of cos 2x this one, 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x, so dx. So this term and this term will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 1 by cos square x dx. What do you mean by 1 by cos? 1 by cos is secant square x, secant square x dx. What's the integration of secant square x? Tan x plus c. Got it children? Very easy, is it right? So if you know the formula, you can do everything very easy. If you don't know the formula, you can't touch even. Okay, so first learn all the formulas from last year book. Afterwards you start to learn this one, then only it will be very easy for you. Okay students, okay, let's move to next question. Problem number 4. 1 by sin square x cos square x. Okay, have any idea how we will do this problem? Here one hint is given in this question. Okay, that is sin square x plus cos square x value is equal to 1. One hint is given, so we can use the hint here. So how will you use here? In the place of 1 you will substitute here. So sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Okay, that's equal to, now separate it by each and everything. Sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x. Okay, then plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Okay, so what are the terms will get cancelled here? Sin square, cos square, cos square. So what are the balance? 1 by cos square x dx, split it as 2. Then integral of 1 by sin square x dx. So what is 1 by cos square? Secant square, correct? Secant square x dx. 1 by sin means cosecant square x dx. So secant square x, how will you write? Tan x. Then cosecant square minus cot x plus c. You will have one doubt, ma'am, how we will remember all the formulas for each and everything, one formula? It is very difficult to remember. So how we will remember everything like that? You will have a doubt, is it right? So for that I will give some tips for you. Okay, so if last year you have learned in differentiation. Okay, so what is a differentiation of sin x? You have learned there. So what is the differentiation? That is, if y is given means y is equal to sin x. So if you are differentiating, how much you will get? dy by dx is equal to cos x, is it right? So when I am starting this chapter, I said integration is nothing but it's a reverse process of differentiation. So this is differentiation. Am I right? So y is equal to y equal to sin x means dy by dx, it's a differentiation. Okay, so integration means it's a reverse process. Understand? So that's all. Understand? Now you got some idea. So y is equal to sin x, when you are differentiating dy by dx you will get. Same time When you are integrating cos x, you will get sin x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. So please children, don't confuse integration and differentiation. The reason is from the 4th chapter we are going to learn differential calculus again. So now 2nd chapter and 3rd chapter we will learn integral calculus. Afterwards 4th chapter it is differential calculus. So you don't confuse this. Okay. So y is equal to sin x is there if we are differentiating dy by dx. So that's the reverse process of differentiation is integration. Okay. So now it's just small tips to remember the formula easier. When if you are learn differentiation all the formulas, it will be easy to find here. Okay. Okay children, so I think this exercise 2.4 over. Now let's move to the next section, 2.1.4 integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay, so we need to learn something here. Okay, first I will give one formula for you, that is integration by parts means we know that if u and v are two differentiable function, that is if d by dx of u v. So here if there are two functions, u also a function, v also a function. This one last year you have learned the same formula. So how will you differentiate? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay. In the same method, if we need to integrate, what did you do? D by dx of uv into dx is equal to, when you are integrating, u into dv by dx into dx plus integral of v into du by dx into dx. Am I right? So what will happen? We will get this term, this term, this one, everything cancels. So what's the balance? We will get d of uv is equal to integral of u dv plus integral of v du. Correct? So this everything you have learned in the last year is. So this integration is new. Now what I did, I wrote the differentiation of two function, last year's formula, and I integrate this one. And particular terms, everything I have cancelled. So I got the value as integral of u. Okay. So here only one formula is very, very important here. The formula is, I am giving the formula here. The formula is integral of u into dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. This is a formula we are going to use here. So very, very important formula. So what's the formula? Integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay. So this is a formula we will use here. Okay. Then something is, if we are turned to your book, something is given there. So whatever is very, very important, I will give it now. Okay. There, here there is a two function, is it right? So u and v are the two function. Now we will have a doubt. Ma'am, if they are giving two function, how we will choose the u and v? How we will choose u and dv? Like that some doubt will have. Okay. So because of that, I am giving the idea. That is, when you are choosing that u and v, how we will choose? That is, I am going to give one highlight for you. Okay. So u dv, the formula is for u dv. Okay. So here u and dv you need to choose. If it is integral of x e power x, you will have a doubt. This one is u, this one is dv. How we will choose u and dv? So because of that, they gave one thing is highlight. Don't forget, it is highlight. Okay. So here I, what's the meaning of I is, I stands for inverse trigonometric function. I stands for inverse trigonometric. So what are the inverse trigonometric function? You learned that also. That is sine inverse x, cos inverse x, secant inverse. Every trigonometric inverse functions. Okay, that is I. L stands for logarithmic function. Okay. Then A stands for arithmetic function. This all the things you need to take to your notes. Okay. T stands for trigonometric function. . E stands for exponential function. Got it? So how we will choose this u and dv? U first, okay? So when you are choosing u and v, here now I am explaining. Here x is one arithmetic function, e power x is one exponential function. So in annihilate, what is coming first? A. So we need to choose arithmetic function as u and exponential function as dv. Understand? Maybe anything we can take. So if one let us x log x. Okay, I am giving one example. So here x is the arithmetic function. So it is coming here. Logarithmic function, before that it's there. So what's the u value? U is log x, dv is x. Okay, using this annihilate order, you need to choose u and dv. Have you got it? Now you got the idea. This is a formula we will use. Understand? So using this annihilate order, that is I-L-A-T-E. I stands for inverse trigonometric function. L stands for logarithmic function. A stands for arithmetic function. T stands for trigonometric function. E stands for exponential function. Using this order, you will choose u and v. So if logarithmic function and one exponential function is there, means what is coming first? L. So you need to choose logarithmic function as u and exponential function as dv. Okay, so when you are doing the problem, you will get some more idea. Then one more thing here, it is very important. One thing is given, that is Bernoulli's formula. That is Bernoulli's formula. It will be easy to find out the values. You can integrate easy. That is u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 plus u triple dash v3 plus etc. This is Bernoulli's formula. Okay, so when you are taking to the note, you take this one, that is the above mentioned formula. This formula is called Bernoulli's formula. Okay. Okay, before moving to this section, we need to know this much thing very thoroughly, then only it will be easy for you. So this and all, no need to take to your notes. So remaining everything you need to take to your notes. So first we need to put the heading integration by parts, then write down this formula. If you need, you can write this one side, then only it will be easy for you. Then take down the silate, then Bernoulli's formula. Got it? Okay, let's move to the problem. One problem we can do, then only it will be very easy for you. Okay, so example 2.25. Evaluate integral of x e power x dx. So when you get the question, at once you need to find what will come first. So logarithmic function or exponential function, what function will come first? Okay, so here x and e power x is there. So x is one of the, you write the annihilate here. Annihilate, x is one of the arithmetic function, e power x is one of the exponential function. So x is equal to, u is equal to x, dv is equal to exponential function, that is e power x. Understand? So you need to choose first that one. So I am giving one tabular column, then only it will be easy for you. So I am writing here, take u is equal to x, dv is equal to e power x. Have you understand how I chose the two values? Using annihilate. Okay. Now if you differentiate this one, what will happen? Du equal to dx you will get. Then when you are integrating this one, what will happen? Integration of e power x. E power x, is it right? So when you are integrating, dv will change as v. So I said differentiation is the, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So dv is there. If you are integrating, you will get the v. Integration, dv, when you are integrating, you will get v. V, when you are differentiating, you will get dv. That's the meaning. So integrating, v is equal to how much you will get? Same e power x. Now we are going to write the formula. X e power x dx. Okay, that is same as, what is x? U. What is e power x? dv. Okay, so we can use the formula. What's the formula I taught you? uv minus integral of v du. So what is the u value? What's the u value? x. What's the v value? E power x minus integral of what is the v value? E power x. What is the du value? Dx. That's equal to x e power x minus what's the integral of e power x? E power x already you have learned. Integral of e power x dx is equal to e power x. Okay, minus e power x plus 1 integrating constant c. So what is common for first two terms? E power x. So x minus 1 plus c. Have you got it? Very easy. Yes. So when you are choosing this u and dv value, you want to be very careful. Then only it will be very easy for you. Okay, children. I hope you got good idea there. Okay. Now, shall we do one more question? Example 2.26. I'm writing the question. Evaluate x cube e power x dx. Okay. Okay. First you write I late. What will come first? I late is there, is it right? What is the arithmetic function here? X cube is, so a, then exponential function. So u is equal to x cube, dv is equal to e power x. That's the order. So first you can put the tabular column. Okay. So what is u value? X cube. What's the dv value? E power x. Listen here children, for this problem I am giving for you in Bernoulli's formula. Okay, so you can solve by using Bernoulli's formula. It will be very easy. For what which are the problems you can use Bernoulli's formula? In the sense x power 3, x power 2, x power 5, x power n. If there is any x power n, x power 4, x power 5 or something is there, means you can use Bernoulli's formula. Then only it easy for you. Okay, so we can use Bernoulli's formula. So what is Bernoulli's formula? Integral of u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. Alternate symbol. U means u dash, u double dash, v1, v2, v3 etc. Okay, so here we can find all the values. So u is equal to x cube. That means u1 means what will happen? 3x square you will get differentiation. Okay, then u2 means again we will differentiate. So 2 into 3 means 6x. So u3 means 6 into x, that one 6. Then same as here you can integrate. So when you are integrating v equal to e power x. If you are integrating again, also e power x. Again if you are integrating e power x. How many times if you are integrating means also same e power x you will get here. So now you can put it in the formula. That is x cube e power x is equal to, what's the u value? X cube. What's the v value here? E power x. Minus what is u dash, u dash u, okay, u dash, u double dash, u triple dash. So u dash what's the value? 3x square into e power x. Then plus u double dash 6x into e power x. The next value minus, okay, minus 6 e power x plus c. Next value means it will become 0. Because of that I stopped there. Okay, that's equal to, what's the common here? E power x is common. So what's the balance? X cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 plus c. Now you will have a doubt. Why ma'am you are using this Bernoulli's formula here? Previous example you used one formula. No, that formula if you are using means we won't get the answer. We will get answer. Okay, we will get answer. Same answer you will get, but only 2 values you will get there. Okay, if you need you can try. Same answer you will get, but I am giving the idea that is x power something. That is x power n. It's in the form of x power n into something. Means if you are using this formula, it will be very easy for you. Okay, so because this differentiating is very easy, so e power x for all the terms you will get e power x. Just if you substitute in the formula, it will be easy for you. Okay children, so because of that I have chose this formula for you. So we will do the next problem in our next class. So I am giving the homeworks for you. Exercise 2.5, problem number 1 is a homework for you. So only one problem is a homework. So now you are very happy, is it right? Only one problem homework. So don't leave anything. Please learn. So something new you have learned today. So revise everything do the homework properly. First problem. Okay, so first problem is e power minus x. So you can do it. Okay, so e power minus x, you learned the integration already. What's the integration of e power minus x? If you are integrating, e power minus x divided by minus 1 you will get. Again, when you are differentiating, minus and minus term will get cancelled, e power x you will get. Okay, so you know to integrate. So using that you can complete the first problem alone. Okay, only one problem homework. So now I have completed up to example 2.26. We will start from example 2.27 in the next class. Okay students, be safe. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.